ReLive Greens. I love the product because as a mother of 4 that used to have a brain tumor and a spinal tumor, I came up with a formulation as a scientist that would help support the body to get rid of the things it doesn't need by supporting the GI system, the heart, and the brain through overall greens like spirulina, chlorophyll, chlorella, and a lot of other things. I did this because I wanted everyone to have a healthy home like we do. I wanted everyone to have the best support they could in their life through a daily instrumentation, which really helps the body. I take 1 to 3 teaspoons a day. I make a smoothie. You can do whatever you want with it. It is a powder. It's easy to use, easy to travel with. And again, this product is really something very special that I made for myself and for my kids and to support people throughout the world so they can have the best life possible.